This tutorial is for the memory function of the calculator module in Construction Calc Pro, an app available for iOS and Android. So let's go ahead and go into the calculator by clicking on it. And you'll see the memory keys are the top three in the left, top left, and are red. We have a memory set, which will put whatever number is on your main display into memory. We have a memory plus, which will add whatever number is on the main display into your active memory slot. And we have a memory minus, which will subtract the main display from your active memory slot. Now right now we're actually on history, but we can touch the top bar and we can change it to memory just by clicking on it. So let's go ahead and put a few numbers into memory. So let's put 6'4" into memory, 4" memory set. And let's put 8 feet into memory set. And let's just put a standard number, 62, into memory set. And 42, the answer to the universe, in memory. And now we'll see, it's always showing our last number we put in, but if we hit the list button, we'll be able to see all our memory locations. So there's the 4 numbers we just put into memory. We can recall any of them from here. And at that point, once we recall, we can add or minus from them, whatever we want to do. We can also filter these memory locations. So we put in a couple distances here, and we put in a couple standard numbers. So if we want to see just distances, we can set a distance filter, and it'll show just our distances. We can also clear the memory to clear it up. This memory acts as a stack, so as we go along, it's just going to keep stacking memories on top, until we hit our maximum memory, and then it's going to start deleting them off the bottom of the stack. So let's go ahead and select 8 feet. So that'll put the memory location onto our main display, plus into our active memory slot, and then we can work with it. So if we wanted to add 2 feet to that, we could easily work with that number. Or alternately, we can keep adding into this memory slot. So say we wanted to go 4 feet and add it in, we go memory plus. 12 feet, 16 feet, we can keep adding it in. And then memory minus does the opposite, it'll take away 4 feet every time. That's about all there is to memory. It'll hold a standard number, it'll hold a foot, inch, a meter, any value that you have in your calculator, you can put into memory and you can use them at any time. You can also use all these values in the other modules. So if you have something in memory, you can go into another module. I'll just show you quick. Let's go into the areas module and go to our length. And you'll see we can go over to memory and we can call up our memories and use them within the area module. So now we just used our 12 feet that was in the memory module in our areas module. And that's about it for the memory keys. Thanks for watching.